Jatend bura mar People's Liberation Party Martha Karua, jakinera tiro Lingugi kachiel kod jakanyo maduol marirogo Kindele Sky Gloria Kimani otam donje piny libamba ma Tanzania mana kinde machuok bang' mole paw ndeke ma Mwalimu Nyerere International Airport Dar es Salaam okinyi ma kawuono. Jadego ne chano mar limo jatend kweth magero piny owacho ma Tanzania tesre Tundu Lisu ma bende duond bura mare ogeng'ne kuom chung' e yiero maduong' ma pinyno.
We thought that as citizens of Jumuiya we were free, but not yet uhuru. The great Mwalimu Nyerere, who welcomed all people, the oppressed of Africa, this is not what he must have envisaged, that we can be detained here. The common thread among us, we are guests of East Africa Law Society, and there is fear in this government of our dear Mama Suluhu about people who may be interested in the politically motivated cases against Tundu Lisu. Aluta continua.
Aluta continua.
We are awaiting deportation. Here we are. These are our bags.
They've just given
us back our bags on the way to the deportation room.